All right, so we made it to the Upland field. We're making an audible today. We've got a lot of chucker that we're gonna get after, get the dogs some retrieves, and this afternoon, we're gonna get out there and maybe, hopefully, smash some ducks. So let's see what happens.
A lot of other birds up on the retrieve.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I mean, yeah, if you're on the left side of the line or I'm on the right, like one of us could facilitate that
That's
too.
fine.
Like, hey, who's
I'll
up
be on the
next?
opposite side of
And then we'll just kind of all be like,
Yeah.
hey, next retrieve. Definitely
Yeah.
if your dog marks it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put you over on the side with Josh, and then me and Tom can go to the other side with my dogs and Rip, and we'll just kind of do it that way. Is that cool, y'all?
Sounds great.
And cameras can honestly,
They can move back and
y'all
forth.
can get behind the line. You can just go back and forth wherever you want behind the line. We're just gonna try to keep the line as straight as possible, and no cameras in front of the line.
And
not where you
hopefully
wanna be.
gunners, make sure if you got a pheasant that gets wild, goes behind us, watch out.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is Hunter. This is Noah. We're gonna be doing a little bit of a chucker shoot today. Don't know if you guys have ever had a chance to shoot a chucker, but when they get up, it's kind of gonna look like a big quail. So similar flight path. Honestly, hold well. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get inside this fence. We'll walk single file down to the corner. We'll get, man, I don't know, however you guys want to set up, but what we'll do is we'll try and get the guys that are shooters. We'll get them lined up kind of in the middle. We'll try and stay about 6 to 8 feet apart from each other. If you guys need to get a little further apart, that's fine. But main thing we're gonna stress is keeping a straight line here, especially with as many guys as we got, cameras, dogs running around. We're gonna have a lot going on, and so just being mindful of your muzzle, I mean, safety, you know, just kind of everything top to bottom. But other than that, that's all I got. Looking forward to hunting with you guys, and we're ready to go.
All right, so we've got our line set up here. We got our guns out. We got dogs excited. This is Violet's first upland hunt, so this will be a pretty exciting deal. I think this is Tom and Rip's first upland hunt as well, so it should be pretty great. We'll work on maintaining their control and see what we can get done, but let's see what happens. It's gonna be fun. Yep. Right here, right. Whoa, 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 hold up. We got one right here. Y'all ready?
My God, it's not shooting. I can't shoot, he said. I don't know.
Noah, you want to send Boone on that one? Let her sit steady.
Go back.
Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Very nice.
There we go. One down. A lot of excitement for Violet's first time on this, so really having to work on that. Want to work on that steadiness. You know, we've practiced this, but you can't. I mean, look how many guns we've got. You can't simulate that at home by yourself. So we're working on that. Hopefully, once we get a couple birds down, we can get some calmness here. So we're really working on that. But it's looking good. We finally got our first bird. Sit. Over. Put it up. Right there. Put it up. Good. Right here. Good. Good. Heel. Dead. First quail. Actually, first quail ever. Pretty exciting. Heel. Hunt it up, right there, hunt it up. Hunt it up, hunt it up. Hunt it up, right there. Good girl. Hip. Heel. Dead. Good. Sit. Sit. Not bad. First chucker. All right, we've got 2 birds so far. I'm finally getting calm. I gotta be honest, as a handler, I'm pretty, you know, we put a lot into these dogs, and so for the first time being on this hunt, you want them to perform well. But now that we've got 2 retrieves, we're starting to kind of both settle in a little. I think we can make some progress here. But so far, this is going pretty good, especially for the first time. So let's make it happen. We're good. Heel. Right there, hunt it up. Good. Good girl. Heel. That. Good girl. Heel. And another. Heel. Oh my gosh. You want to pick that one? No, bird. Bird right here, guys. Right here. Right there, in front of you. Yep. Sit. Here we go. Get ready. Get ready. That's a smart bird. Word up! Word up! Hey, right here. Good. Fetch. Heel. There. Good. Heel. Sit. Beautiful birds. So far, we've killed quite a few birds. We did have one break, so I threw the lead back on her. This, you know, sometimes when you're in these high-stress situations, it reveals something. You should go back and really drill in even more. And but it also reveals some of the things that are good. So it's just a really fun day. We got a lot of guns out here, 3 or 4 dogs, and hopefully we get a few more. This is a great way to kind of start the morning before. Hopefully we can get out there and get on some ducks. You know, that's what we're used to. That's what I train for majority of the time, but this is, you know, something that can absolutely be done if you put in the work and you practice for it. So I might start practicing for it in the future, but we're moving forward, so let's go.
We just got done doing a little walk-up chucker and quail shoot. I just got a new dog who's fully trained, but he's only been with me for 8 days. So we don't really have much of a relationship yet. And he showed me that today. There's several times that blew the whistle and he said, "That's not my handler blowing the whistle," and just kept on rolling. So when that stuff happens, it's really about building a trustworthy relationship with the dog. And so I'm gonna do a couple drills with him out here to see if we can't get him stopping on the whistle. Sit. So to take some of the excitement out, I'm gonna do a little pull-push drill with him. And that way I'm stopping him on the way back to me and not on his way out to retrieve. And I'll probably do this over the next week or so, you know, a couple times. And then a couple other just little handling drills, a ladder drill, wagon wheel, just to get him lining out straight with me. And then for whistle stops, I'll do a lot of walking baseball with him just to emphasize, hey, my whistle is what you hear when you stop to take a cast. And then if he's doing really well on pull push, then I'll put a little memory out, send him, stop him, cast him. If he stops, good. If he doesn't, we'll go back to pull push and simplify it. Moose. Yep. Go back. Good. Good boy. Much better. Yeah. All right, we're gonna do that one more time with him. He did good then. We're gonna extend the distance just a little bit this time. Heel. Sit. Heel. Heel. We're gonna go back to some of the early whistle stop videos that we did. And beginner gun dog. Good. Good. I didn't give him any verbal sit, just a whistle sit. Immediately gave him a verbal affirmation that that's what I wanted. It's good. I'm gonna walk to where I'm about 75, 80 yards from him, recall, stop, cast him back to the bird. Super simple drill. It's called pull push. It's an intermediate gun dog module. Sit. Go back. Nice quick stop. Good boy. Again, just because he stops like this doesn't mean he's going to stop on a full blind retrieve in live action on a hunt. But it is building my relationship with this dog. It's the kind of thing I would do if I got a dog back from a trainer and I hadn't been working with him for a while, or if you get a new dog who is trained. That a good boy. Good boy. Dead. Good boy. Or if you just need to tighten up your relationship with the dog.
All right, that was a very fun experience. Chaotic, exciting, birds everywhere, guns going off. You know, I think overall the dogs, everybody had some really good highlights. Everybody had some things that, you know, we need to work on moving forward, but that was a fun extra thing that we got to do. And it gives me something to also train for that we'll work on to make sure that we're dialed in for the next Upland hunt.